Hi there, my name is Jonathan Watkins from SelfieWallpaper. We create bespoke, customised wallpaper for your home and business. You digitally supply us with your images and photographs, specify your design style and measure the wall. We will then create a unique personal wallpaper for you. Firstly, we will email you a small version. Once we've got your approval, we'll then send it to the printers. So the first thing you need to do when you create a wallpaper project is measure the wall. And this is a bite-sized video to show you how to measure the wall and the reasons why we go a little bit bigger than the exact dimensions. So first of all, get your tape measure out. Measure the height of the wall here and the height of the wall here, and then you take the biggest reading. Then you take the width of the wall twice and again take the biggest of the readings. Then we recommend adding between 6 to 10 centimeters to this height, and likewise 6 to 10 centimeters to the width. Now notice in our website, our measurements are in meters. So for example, 6 centimeters will be 0.06 of a meter. So here we go. Now, wallpaper needs to be installed upright. Otherwise, it will look odd. I don't know of any wallpaper that likes to be put up at an angle. It must be upright. Upright, upright, upright. This is the golden rule. Now, there are two reasons why we add 6 to 10 centimeters to our exact measurements. And firstly, if you don't put the wallpaper upright at a slight angle, by the time you come to the end, look what happens. You've got a gap there. Secondly, the actual ceiling and floor, you might not notice it, but might not be level either. So if you put the wallpaper, if it's at an angle and you put the wallpaper up level, again, you might have a gap here. So that's why we add the 6 to 10 centimeters gap.